Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I try to open the local group policy editor in Windows 11 computer guys. Windows cannot find gpedit.msc. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. Let's fix it guys. For that you just need to go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it guys. Now in the notepad you just need to check my video description for this code guys used in my video. You just need to copy this code and paste it in the notepad, and you just want to save it guys. Click on file, click on save as, select text document to all files and name this as gpedit. The only important thing is you just need to last type it dot bat guys. This is important guys, type it correctly dot bat, and after typing it click on save. We just saved in desktop guys. If you don't find it, you just want to refresh the desktop guys just one time. Click on refresh. Now you can able to find it guys. We just created a bat file guys. You just need to open it, right click on it and select run as administrator guys and select yes. Now wait for it. This process will take some time. Be patient guys. Press any key to continue, press enter, and after finishing this right click on the start icon, select run. Now type gpedit.msc, click on ok. Now it will open guys group edit policy. If this solution does not work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video guys. You just need to copy it using this command prompt. You just need to copy and paste it one by one. I have two comments in my description. Wait for it until this finished up. After getting finished up first command, you just need to copy the second command guys. Copy it, just copy it and paste it with Ctrl V. Copy with Ctrl C, and after pasting it close out of here. Now right click on the start icon, select run. Now as you can see it will be open up guys, gp edit policy guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.